Welcome back to Car Magica, where we bring you the latest camper reviews, features, and expert insights. Today, we're stepping back into the golden era of Japanese motorhomes with the 1998 Toyota Camroad. Built for practicality, reliability, and everyday adventure, this classic motorhome represents Toyota's smart approach to comfort and usability. As you step inside, you're welcomed by a cozy and well-organized living area, designed for long journeys and daily convenience. The materials are simple yet durable, featuring fabric seating, laminate cabinetry, and easy-to-clean surfaces. Welcome back to Car Magica, where we bring you the latest camper reviews, features, and expert insights. Today, we're stepping back into the golden era of Japanese motorhomes with the 1998 Toyota Camroad. Built for practicality, reliability, and everyday adventure, this classic motorhome represents Toyota's smart approach to comfort and usability. As you step inside, you're welcomed by a cozy and well-organized living area, designed for long journeys and daily convenience. The materials are simple yet durable, featuring fabric seating, laminate cabinetry, and easy-to-clean surfaces. The lounge area converts into a sleeping space, accompanied by overhead storage and large side windows that bring in plenty of natural light. The compact kitchen includes a gas stove, sink, small refrigerator, and basic storage for essentials. The sleeping area provides practical comfort, while the integrated bathroom setup, depending on the trim, offers a toilet and wash area, giving you the freedom to travel without sacrificing basic necessities. Now, moving to the exterior, the 1998 Toyota Camroad showcases a classic and functional motorhome design. Built on Toyota's dependable truck-based platform, it features a boxy silhouette that prioritizes interior space over aggressive styling. The exterior finish is clean and practical, designed to withstand years of travel and varying weather conditions. A side-mounted awning offers shade and outdoor comfort, while steel wheels and simple trim emphasize reliability over flashiness. The compact dimensions make the Camroad easy to maneuver through narrow roads, campsites, and city streets. Its straightforward exterior design ensures it remains timeless and instantly recognizable among classic Japanese motorhomes. When it comes to performance, the 1998 Toyota Camroad is all about reliability and efficiency. It is powered by a naturally aspirated 2.8-liter to 3.0-liter diesel engine, depending on the configuration, known for its longevity and fuel economy. Designed for steady cruising rather than speed, the Camroad handles highways and rural roads with confidence. The suspension is tuned for load-carrying comfort, ensuring a stable ride even when fully equipped. Paired with a manual or automatic transmission, it delivers smooth and predictable driving characteristics. While it doesn't chase performance figures, the Camroad excels in dependability, making it ideal for long-term travel and extended use. Finally, let's discuss the price. Back in 1998, the Toyota Camroad was positioned as an affordable and practical motorhome. When new, it carried an estimated price range of around $40,000 to $55,000, depending on specifications and conversion options. Today, well-maintained examples are highly sought after in the used market, often valued for their legendary Toyota reliability and ease of maintenance. For buyers seeking a classic, no-nonsense motorhome, the Camroad represents excellent long-term value rather than luxury excess. To sum up, the 1998 Toyota Camroad is a perfect example of practical motorhome engineering done right. It delivers dependable performance, smart interior packaging, and a proven powertrain that has stood the test of time. Whether you're a collector, a minimalist traveler, or someone looking for a reliable vintage camper, the Camroad remains a respected name in the world of motorhomes. Stay tuned for more reviews, and don't forget to like and subscribe to Car Magica for all the latest in automotive excellence.